Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm the Paperback Podcaster. This is day 6, and today I have a new lesson to share with everyone. And this is the lesson about a company with no problems. Yes, a company with no problems. How many of you would like to work with an organization with no problems at all? In fact, I think many wish they could. Why? Because if there are no problems, then work is easy and you could, you know, do work as usual, business as usual, and you get your pay, right? That's it, no overtime. And you do not need to rush over the weekend for management reporting. But you know what, the facts are, if organizations have no problems, then it also means that work is going to be very mundane and likely very boring too. And you know what, you would then have very little value to your employers. Why? Let's understand another important fact. If you're an employer, why would you need highly paid paper processors or administrators? The reason why you're hired, and you have to remember this, especially in a modern organization, the reason why you're hired and you're paid that premium on your salary is because bosses and employers expect you to deliver certain value. So, J. Paul Getty ever said this once in his book. He said that one of his business partners liked businesses to have problems because it would present an opportunity for people to evolve and improve. Right? After all, what's the point of having an organization that is so perfect or immaculate that there is nothing more they can do to improve? Right? That can get seriously boring. And there is no catalyst to improve, and people keep doing the same thing. The business remains static. That gets seriously boring. And also, it brings to mind another issue, that is how bosses know that you're good and you're making progress. If everything is so good, how would people be able to see how good you are? Well, let's talk about the next thing. Businesses are dynamic, and problems give everyone an opportunity to find better ways to do things, and most importantly, an opportunity to show how good they are. And the lesson today is that, it's not to shun from problems, right? Organizations must have problems, and that presents an opportunity for everyone not to shun from these problems, right? And my next point to everyone is, take each problem as an opportunity to learn how to do things better, other than showing others that you could cope with problems. And that's where, you command a premium on the salary, you could ask for greater pay increments. And not long ago, I saw a tutor using Skype as a cheap alternative to an actual visualizer, right? And he had been doing it for years. And I was quite amazed, because Skype could be used as a makeshift visualizer, and it worked quite well. So it was until I shared with him that he could actually use Microsoft PowerPoint or OneNote as a more proper solution for presenting lessons to large groups of students. And not forgetting also that Skype suffered from certain latency issues, right? So this is like, what I mentioned, this presents a case of an opportunity to do things better. He immediately realized that the solution and the improvement could be so obvious and simple. Now, the problem with many of us is that we do not realize what these problems are. We do not even realize that these problems are serious enough until these obstruct how we work. That's when the catalyst to change becomes so apparent and pressing, right? So are problems bad to have? No, not at all. Problems are good to have, right? Remember, they present an opportunity for you to show how well you can do things and how well you can cope with problems, and an opportunity to learn how to do things better, right? So that's my sharing for today, and the Paperback Podcaster. I hope that you have enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.